Yeah, this is Randy at FamilyTentCamping.com. I'm going to show you the Oxley Lite 5 and the complete panel set that attaches to either the 5 or the 7. First of all, you want to look at the outside of it, and it's got a polyester ripstop material. As you come up closer, you can see all the stitching in it, and it's all reinforced. Now on the sides, it has the flaps that overlap the zippers, and these are luggage zippers. So they actually are a nice zipper area, and they actually close down all the way, overflip, and then they have the mud flaps that keep the rain wicked away from inside the tent. And then you notice also that the reflective coating, that is actually for it's a privacy coating, so that whenever you have a lantern inside, you will not see inside of the tent. Okay? And there you'll notice on the side, it's got the nice front screen area, and later I'll show you how it comes down and folds into a tent.
Now you can go in the front of that screen too, right?
Yes, you can. You've got the zippers here, and it actually opens up nice.
Does that go all the way around? Yeah.
Style. Comes all the way around to here, and then it's got your overlanding hooks. Okay. Now on the inside, I'm going to take you inside and show you a few features of the Oxley complete panel set. You'll notice here it's got the mesh screen. Now on the inside.
Now do those have tie backs, or do the screens just have to hang there?
No, actually they have tie backs, and it's a double tie back. So you can either do the solid panel, or you can actually put across the screen to come across this way. It's a nice feature that they came up with.
So double tie back, one for each, nice.
One for each side of the privacy, or you can actually close it for a nice screen room.
Okay.
Okay, and on the inside you'll notice that it's got all the reinforced poles. It reinforces the top.
That's your peak,
the ridge
right?
Pole,
okay.
You got your peak, and then you've got your peak side panel poles. Now on the front, it's also got the ridge pole that gives us stability for the front of the area. And then you'll notice whenever you're putting this on, you want to put the front panel on first, and then everything else has the male and the female ends that zip onto this. And so whenever you do it, you want to bring it down to your level, and then you just raise it up after you're done. And as you can see, it goes all the way around, so it's a continuous zipper all the way down into here. And then it also velcros on the outside, which is a nice feature to have. So it not only makes it waterproof, it makes it windproof as well. Now you'll notice that on both sides, and it's all heat taped and double stitched. And as you can see, the reinforcement on the ridge pole, it's got the extra laying of material that goes underneath it so it doesn't wear out. And then the zippers on each side, so you can go from there, and then you just tie in the poles.
Now the awning poles go inside when you put the panels on, right?
Correct,
So they're on the inside, not the outside.
They're on the inside of the tent.
Okay.
And as you can see, the ridge pole as well.
Straps right on there, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I want to tell you about the outside and how you can close it up for privacy and for enclosure.
Good. I'll do it from it. Go ahead and do it, and I'll stay inside.
Now that's a screen. It gives it more of a screen feel, and the mats on the bottom keep the insects out and keeps the water rolling out.
Now I noticed that there's straps down here. If you want to, if it's windy, you can stake that down so it doesn't move, right?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Now you'll find that this has the roll-up flaps. And then it velcros up on the front. And then in the front area, you can actually close this off. Now once we do this, you can come around to the outside, and then I can show you a couple more little doodads from the outside. Now this right here zips closed on both sides. Gives you nice enclosure.
I'll come on outside.
Now come on out and I can show you a couple more features.
Well, you can see that overlap there. Nice.
Now on the bottom, they each have their own independent
the grommets?
grommet.
Yeah?
Yes, the grommet area. And then you can just purchase additional pole. Now you can see where it all velcros closed. Now you can extend it out with that grommet, and it's all reinforced, as you can see, and it's all put in there nice. And then you can actually, with an additional pole, really nice Velcro on there.
That's what, about a 2-inch overlap on there as well, huh? From the zipper to the, that's nice, okay.
Now you can have another area that's covered for shelter, whether you want to pull your vehicle underneath there or what have you. You can buy a separate poles to guy out the additional shelter on there.
So 2 extra awning poles and 2 guy ropes will give you an enclosed awning as well as then an open awning, okay.
An open awning, yeah. Correct.
Nice.
Okay, now all you do is zip it up, and there you have it. You have the Oxley complete panel set.
Okay, and that overlaps the Velcro there too?
Yes, it does. Comes all the way across.
There you go.
FamilyTentCamping.com. Purchase yours today.